In 2026, every click, post, and search leaves a digital breadcrumb behind. Whether you're liking a photo, shopping online, or simply searching for a recipe, you're creating a trail of data that follows you across the internet. These actions, often done without a second thought, are quietly recorded and stored, forming a unique digital signature that is as personal as a fingerprint. These crumbs, usernames, IP addresses, and more, may seem trivial alone, but together, they reveal a detailed portrait of our online lives. Each piece of information, no matter how small, can be combined with others to map out our interests, habits, and even our daily routines. From the websites we visit to the devices we use, our digital footprints are constantly growing, painting a vivid picture of who we are in the online world. This is the world of open source intelligence, or OSINT, gathering and analyzing publicly available data. OSINT specialists use these digital breadcrumbs to uncover hidden connections, track trends, and even solve crimes. What was once the domain of intelligence agencies is now accessible to anyone with curiosity and an internet connection. OSINT isn't new, but the sheer scale and accessibility of data today is unprecedented. Billions of data points are generated every second, stored in vast data centers around the world. The challenge now isn't finding information. It's making sense of the overwhelming amount that's available. The OSINT market is booming, vital for cybersecurity, journalism, and beyond. Businesses use it to protect themselves from threats, journalists use it to uncover stories, and governments rely on it for national security. The demand for OSINT skills and tools has never been higher. Now, anyone can use OSINT tools, not just professionals. With user-friendly platforms and open access to information, students, hobbyists, and everyday internet users can explore the world of digital investigation. The barriers to entry have fallen, making it possible for anyone to learn and experiment. This democratization means students and hobbyists can explore how digital footprints work, hands-on. They can see firsthand how seemingly harmless data can be pieced together, gaining valuable insights into privacy, security, and the power of information in the digital age. But with great access comes great responsibility. Understanding the ethical boundaries of OSINT is crucial. It's important to respect privacy, use information responsibly, and be aware of the potential consequences of uncovering or sharing sensitive data. Understanding your own digital footprint is now essential digital literacy. Knowing what information you're leaving behind and how it can be used is a vital skill for navigating the modern world. It empowers you to take control of your privacy and make informed choices online. Simple, accessible tools are needed to help people learn the basics without being overwhelmed. These tools can break down complex concepts, making it easier for everyone to understand how their data is collected, used, and protected. That's where a new generation of lightweight, educational OSINT tools comes in, empowering people of all backgrounds to explore, learn, and protect themselves in the digital world. Want to try OSINT but don't know where to start? Enter GHOSTTRACK. GHOSTTRACK is a free open-source Python script designed for beginners, created by Hunksbytes and hosted on GitHub. Its strength is simplicity. One menu, 3 basic functions: IP, phone, and username lookups. Open source means transparency. You can see exactly how it works. With over 8,000 GitHub stars, it's a popular entry point for students and hobbyists. GHOSTTRACK is a digital sandbox, perfect for learning OSINT basics without needing advanced skills. GHOSTTRACK's IP tracker is your introduction to digital forensics. Every device online has an IP address, its digital mailing address. Enter an IP and GHOSTTRACK queries a public geolocation API to reveal the ISP, country, city, and sometimes even coordinates. The results aren't pinpoint accurate, but they show how much can be learned from just an IP. It's a powerful lesson. Even basic data can reveal surprising context. No hacking, just smart use of public info. Test your own IP to see how you appear to the web. This demystifies internet infrastructure for beginners. It's the first step in understanding your digital exposure. GHOSTTRACK's phone tracker isn't about real-time tracking. It's about uncovering what's already out there in the public domain. Instead of following someone's movements, it focuses on the information that's freely available to anyone with the right tools and a bit of curiosity. This approach is all about transparency and responsible data use, not intrusion. When you enter a phone number, the tool breaks it down, analyzing the country code, area code, and even the structure of the number itself. It then checks a variety of public databases to determine where the number originated and which carrier first issued it. This process reveals the story behind the digits, showing how much can be learned from just a phone number. The results show you the country of origin and the original mobile provider, but not the current location or owner. It's a snapshot of the number's roots, not a live feed of someone's whereabouts. This is foundational OSINT, open source intelligence, where you learn what's possible using only public information. It's about piecing together clues from data that's available to everyone, building a bigger picture without crossing ethical lines. Try entering your own number to see how these identifiers are structured. You might be surprised at how much information is encoded in those digits and how easily it can be accessed with the right tools. But remember, there are limits to what public data can reveal. Not every detail is available, and privacy laws protect sensitive information. This is a valuable lesson in managing expectations and respecting boundaries. GHOSTTRACK simply automates a process that anyone could do manually, making it much faster and more efficient. It saves time and effort, but doesn't give access to anything secret or private. In intelligence gathering, knowing where to look is often more important than hacking or breaking in. The real skill lies in using open sources wisely and ethically. For beginners, this is a safe and completely legal way to explore how phone data works. It's a hands-on introduction to the world of digital investigation without crossing any lines. Ultimately, it's about understanding the digital world around us, not surveillance, but awareness and responsible use of information. GHOSTTRACK's username tracker is a simple yet powerful tool that lets you check if a username exists on some of the most popular websites and social media platforms. With just a few clicks, you can start uncovering the digital presence of any username you're curious about. Many people tend to reuse the same usernames across different sites, often without realizing how much of a digital trail this creates. This habit can make it surprisingly easy to follow someone's online footprint from one platform to another. All you have to do is enter a username, and GHOSTTRACK will automatically check the profile URLs on a handful of major sites. It's a quick way to see if that username is already in use elsewhere. If the page exists, it means the username is taken on that platform. If not, it's likely available for you to claim. This process is fast and gives you instant feedback. This feature makes digital footprints tangible. Suddenly, you can actually see where your username, or someone else's, appears across the web. It's a visual way to understand how connected your online identity really is. It's often eye-opening from a privacy perspective. You might be surprised to discover just how many places your online identity is linked and how easy it is for someone to trace your activity across different networks. GHOSTTRACK's checker is intentionally basic, scanning only a select few sites. It's designed to be approachable and easy to use, especially for those just starting out. Professional OSINT tools like Sherlock or Maigret can scan hundreds of platforms at once, offering much more comprehensive results. But GHOSTTRACK is about learning the basics, not exhaustive searches. It's a stepping stone to more advanced investigations. Think of it as a simple introduction to a powerful OSINT concept, one that can help you understand how online identities are tracked and why privacy matters. It's perfect for beginners who want to get a feel for username tracking before moving on to more advanced tools and techniques in the world of open source intelligence. GHOSTTRACK is incredibly easy to run, even on your phone. Thanks to Termux, an Android terminal app, your phone becomes a pocket-sized OSINT lab. Installation is simple. Clone the GitHub repo, install Python libraries, and run the script. Troubleshooting, like fixing a Python library version, is part of the learning process. This mobile compatibility lowers the barrier to entry, no laptop required. Anyone with an Android phone can start experimenting with OSINT concepts anywhere. It democratizes learning, making cybersecurity accessible to all. GHOSTTRACK empowers students and hobbyists to learn by doing. The device in your pocket is now your gateway to digital literacy. Learning OSINT has never been more convenient. GHOSTTRACK is a starter kit, not a powerhouse. Compared to tools like PhoneInfoga, Sherlock, or McGray, its features are basic and limited. Those advanced tools scan hundreds of sites or dig deeper into data, ideal for professionals. GHOSTTRACK offers a quick, simple way to try 3 core OSINT tasks in one place. It's not about depth, it's about accessibility and ease. Beginners don't need to juggle multiple complex tools. 1 script, 3 functions, instant results. For learning, this simplicity is invaluable. GHOSTTRACK is designed to be outgrown as your skills advance. With OSINT tools, ethics matter as much as skill. Only use GHOSTTRACK on your own data or with explicit permission. Defensive OSINT, checking your own IP, phone, or usernames, helps you understand and protect your digital footprint. Using these tools on others without consent is unethical and may be illegal. GHOSTTRACK is for education and privacy audits, not stalking or harassment. Always download from the official GitHub page to avoid malware. Unofficial versions can be dangerous Trojan horses. The OSINT community is clear. Use these tools responsibly. Stick to learning and self-auditing. Respect privacy and the law at every step. Ethical practice is the foundation of cybersecurity. In a world of complex tools, GHOSTTRACK is the perfect first step for newcomers. It strips away intimidation, letting you learn OSINT concepts hands-on. Immediate feedback, like seeing your own IP data, makes learning real and motivating. Mobile compatibility means anyone can start, anywhere, anytime. It's accessible, equitable, and fits the lifestyle of digital natives. GHOSTTRACK is a safe sandbox for ethical hacking practice. You learn both technique and the importance of privacy. For anyone starting in 2026, it's the responsible, practical choice. Build your skills and your ethical mindset from day one. GHOSTTRACK lays the foundation for your cybersecurity journey.